Get acquainted with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Prepare to be captivated. Here's a Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV, the boldly elegant crossover that leverages industry-leading tech and iconic style to bring you spacious luxury, advanced instrumentation, and refined muscular performance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, sun moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Travel on a higher plane in this refined and responsive GLE SUV. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.